Hello everyone, today is the fifth day already for our 12 days of Christmas craft, and all the materials that we're gonna be needing are in the description. Very simple craft to do. You can do this as a Christmas tree ornament, or you can also do it just to put on top of a present to decorate. Very simple, as you can see. I'm just putting the twine around the cane. Very simple. What I do is I wrap it around, and from time to time I just make sure that they're close together to make sure they're not gonna unravel. And it's a good idea to probably at the beginning to put the hot glue, a little bit of the hot glue on the bottom. You can also use tape, secure it really good though, because even with the hot glue I was not having, well, it was not hot enough, so I needed to wait. So now I'm almost done, finishing it on the top, and then I cut it and also secure it with hot glue at the top. So now look at it. I already did one. Now I'm gonna do my second one. And the same concept, I tie it together and also put a little bit of hot glue to secure it. Now I'm gonna do the hanger using twine also. And that's it. Pretty easy. I wanted to also do one without wrapping it around with the twine. So this is just your preference. If you don't want to cover the beautiful red and white, it's also a way to decorate the candy cane. And same concept, I'm going to also put a hanger on the top in case I want to hang it on my tree. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye bye.